Hi everyone, welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we're going to make vegetable pulao. Vegetable pulao is a comfort food which can easily be made. It's usually a one-pot dish. It's vegetable cooked together with spices and vegetables. Come, let's look at the ingredients. Okay, what do we have there, Kaka?
This one is ghee. We need to put 2 tablespoons of ghee.
Okay, then?
Salt beans.
Okay.
6.
Okay.
About 6 lah.
About 6, huh?
Yeah, like
okay,
this.
she has cut it into small pieces. Okay, what else do we have here?
Little bit of cauliflower.
Okay.
Half of carrot.
Okay.
And cutting small one.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
Now 3 of star anise.
Okay, star anise.
Star
Huh?
anise.
Okay.
Yes. 1 of cinnamon.
Okay, 1 cinnamon stick.
8 of cardamon. Clove.
Clove,
Sorry.
Kaka. Clove,
Clove.
Kaka.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 cloves. Then 6 cardamom.
Cardamon.
Okay.
2 of
Bay leaf.
bay leaf.
Okay.
1 of onion.
Okay. The onions have been thinly sliced, I
Yes,
guess.
correct.
Okay, thinly sliced. Yes.
This one times as cashew nut.
Cashew nut. 10 cashew nut which we have broken into 2.
Yes. like
Okay,
this
how
one.
much of rice are we going to use today?
This one 2.
2 cups of brown Basmati rice.
Yes.
That's what we're going to use today. And apart from all this, yes, you need to add in salt to
Salt,
taste.
yes, correct.
Okay, now let's see how to do this recipe. To a hot pan, we have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now we're going to add in all the spices. So we're going to add in cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves, cardamom and bay leaves. Okay. Wait for all the ingredients to splutter a little. Okay. Once they start spluttering, okay, we will have to add in the onions. Okay, give it a good stir. Wow, the smell of ghee just fills up the kitchen, man. It just smells so good, guys. It's just so yummy. Just the smell itself can make you hungry. Okay. For the onions to cook faster, we add in a pinch of salt. What we want to achieve over here is the onions to be translucent and pink in color. Okay, let's wait for the onions to cook. The onions have now cooked. We are going to add in the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And we add in about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And a little bit more salt. This time the salt is for the rice and the vegetables. This garam masala, where did you get, or did you do it at home, Ka?
I do it in home.
Oh, it's a home cooked
Like
recipe,
that.
guys. We will share it soon on how to make garam masala at home.
Yeah.
Now we are going to add in vegetables. Okay, we're going to add in the beans, the cauliflower, as well as the carrot. We don't want to overcook the vegetables because they're going to cook together with the rice later. So now we're going to add in cashew nuts. Add in 2 cups of rice. I've already washed it. So we're using brown rice today. It's brown basmati rice. Okay. So it's healthy, nutritious, high content of fiber. Everything is available in this rice. It's good for your health as well. So even though we're using ghee, you know, brown rice is very good for health. Okay, so give it a good stir. We are done. So now we add the rice, everything to the rice cooker. Add in sufficient water and let it cook. The cooking time depends on the rice cooker, which is about how long, Kaka, usually?
15 until 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. It totally depends on the rice cooker you are using. Okay. Kaka, maybe you like to transfer it to the rice cooker pot. Okay, depends on the rice you're using, you add in the water. For us, for this brown basmati rice, we need to put in 4 cups of water, which is about 800 ml. So we are adding in 4 cups, but you look at your rice and depends on that you put in your water quantity. Okay, so we are now going to put it in the rice cooker. Let's see how it will be at the end.